everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a decorate with me in my mini happy planner. And for those of you that are new to my channel, what my decorate with me's consists of is just showing how I decorate my mini happy planner in a decorative as well as a functional way. Now, I don't use my mini happy planner anymore because I am currently using an A5 traveler's notebook as my catch-all, and I'm using my Hobonichi Weeks for my EDC or my everyday carry. However, I do still have a lot of subscribers that still use happy planners, and I still want to make it my business to still do spreads and show how I would decorate them as if I were to plan in them. So I decided to go back to basics with this spread. Normally, when I used to use a happy planner, I used to do a lot of layering of box stickers, and one of my favorite sticker books to use was the Colorful Boxes sticker book. And as you can see, I'm really running low on some of the basic stickers in this sticker book, and I really think that I may invest in another one, just because even though I don't use my happy planner to plan in, I do still use my happy planner stickers in some of my spreads every now and again. And a good box sticker, you can never go wrong with that. So what I'm doing now is just alternating between colors because I really want to use this doll sticker from Indian Ivy. And even though she has on like a trench coat, hey, you know, the colors are popping, the sticker is popping, and I want to use it. Besides, I know in some states they're still getting snow, so in somewhere in the world someone is wearing a red trench coat. So anyway, so going back to just showing you what I'm doing, it's real simple, just finding different spots throughout the spread where I can lay these box stickers, and also lay some blank stickers so I could write in them as if I were to be planning. And you will see later in the video I will add some script stickers. Again, if you have been following me for a while, you would know that if I was to be actually planning in this would be very functional for me. I am a deco functional type planner. I love to have a pretty planner and also be able to have enough white space here and there if for some reason some of my deco stickers are too much. But as you can see, all of these stickers are functional. Is not much decoration that I'm doing to this spread. I love to add a quote sticker, especially in this type of layout. It's a horizontal, and you can kind of have free flow it. Like if this was a vertical spread, by being a mini planner, it'll be very hard to kind of just layer your stickers throughout without losing a lot of space. So I definitely am a fan of a mini horizontal. The only thing that I didn't like with some of the planners that came out, they weren't a lot of neutral colors. I like my spreads to be neutral, to have a neutral base, because I do like to switch my colors up, and sometimes it's hard to find stickers that match some of the bold lines that are in the spread, so you end up having to use, you know, a lot of small thin washi to cover that up, and sometimes that's a hassle. But anyway, going back to these boxes, and I really like these quarter boxes. Like I said, I've used up so many of my stickers in the Colorful Box sticker book. I'm surprised I was able to find enough stickers to do this. And I like to do my boxes like this sometime as well. Like, just because the shape is supposed to go a certain way, don't feel like you have to lay that sticker in the direction that these boxes are supposed to go. Just because it's a horizontal type of box does not mean that you can't lay it vertically. And what you can see I did with this black box, I did that vertical, and then I put the red box horizontally. So again, just adding another one of these quarter box stickers to take away some of this white space, because even though I do believe in having some white space on your planner, because sometimes you may need to add some extra plans that you didn't plan for, I'm an advocate of trying to fill as much of the white space as possible, just because it just makes it look like, I don't know, makes it look more like a designer or a custom spread. I've had some people ask me, where did I buy my planners from? And I'm like, well, I bought the planner from such and such. They're like, no, like with all the stickers and stuff. I'm like, oh no, I actually laid it out like that. So it makes me feel good to know that people like how I set up my planners. I've even had people approach me and ask me, could I just like plan out their whole plan. I'm like, I can barely do my own planning, but it's fun. This is more than just a hobby to me. It's to actually relax and just laying these stickers. I be in my own little zone. Half the time I'm like eating gummy bears and singing whatever song comes to mind. So if I was to actually like play the video with no voiceover, y'all would probably be laughing at me. But anyway, so now I'm alternating between the square and the circle check box icons that is in this journaling sticker book, and that was one of the early releases from the Happy Planner this year. I was kind of happy about that sticker book because you can use that in any type of planner, and don't feel restricted to just using Happy Planner stickers in your Happy Planners. I know a lot of people, it's kind of like if you have on an Adidas sweatsuit, you have to have on Adidas sneakers. I mean, technically you can wear Nikes if you want to. It's your party, you do what you want to. But you don't have to use your sticker books just in your Happy Planners. I definitely like shopping my stash when I'm doing my plan with me's in my A5 Travels notebook, because sometimes you don't have everything that you need in a kit, and Happy Planner does have a lot of stickers. So now all I'm doing is just adding this round sticker from the Supermom book, just making a little bit of contrast from all of these boxes, because you know we don't want to stay boxed in. Sometimes we want to get out the box. So yeah, so I'm going to add another one of these red circle stickers on the right side of the spread, and then add just a few more finishing touches, and then that will be it. Okay, I had to take a breather because I felt like I was not taking any breaths while I was talking in the first half of that video. But anyway, so I'm just kind of adding some little elements throughout the spread, some additional script stickers. Again, this spread is designed to show you how I would decorate and use this planner if it was a part of my planner lineup. If you've checked out any of my earlier videos, you would definitely see that this was probably like one of my original styles of planning in my mini Happy Planner. It's decorative, but very functional because these box stickers are very functional. So adding another circle sticker here just to break up the whole boxy look. And just a question, because I like to kind of gauge and see what you all think. Let me know if you're liking these Decorate With Me's, if you want me to continue to do them on Mondays. Also, if you would like to see me decorate in another planner, let me know, because I'm always open, especially if I have the products available at, to my disposal. I'm always open to trying out different things. So what I'm about to do is to add a Mother's Day sticker to Sunday, because it will be Mother's Day on Sunday. So happy early Mother's Day to all of my mothers and mom figures. I hope you have a blessed day. So as I finish this, if you haven't already done so, make sure you click that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you never miss any of my videos or my Sunday live streams. And as well, check out the description box for all of my codes. And if this video has inspired you, share it with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. Until next time, loves, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.